The world's demand for energy is soaring due to a rapidly growing population and expanding industries. This growth comes at a cost to our planet. Solar energy steps in as a clean, renewable source of power, fueling progress while safeguarding the environment. It's not just about energy, it's about building a sustainable future for all and making the country energy secure. Since 1960, the Kalathia Group has been building a stronger India through infrastructure and real estate. In the US, the group has a growing presence in real estate and hospitality. In 2010, Kusol Energy was born with a mission to innovate and lead in solar energy. Our philosophy is simple: deliver comprehensive, high-quality solutions to meet the evolving energy needs for today and tomorrow. At Kusol Energy, we provide 360-degree solar solutions, manufacturing, installation and maintenance, ensuring reliability every step of the way. With cutting-edge facilities and a dedicated R&D team, we produce advanced PV modules and solar solutions for residential, commercial, agricultural and many more applications. We focus on empowering solar living through innovation and sustainability. Kusol Energy offers tailored solar installations that reduce energy costs and enhance efficiency, making them an ideal choice for factories, offices and warehouses. Utilizing our cutting-edge technology, businesses can harness solar power to reduce their carbon footprint and seamlessly integrate solar energy into their operations. From 10 kilowatts to 10,000 kilowatts, our solutions are customized to meet the unique requirements of commercial and industrial clients. Kusol Energy is committed to empowering farmers with innovative agro solutions such as solar pumps that help farmers take full advantage of the PM Kusum Yojana, a Government of India scheme. Our solar pumps offer a reliable and cost-effective water supply for irrigation, reducing energy costs and supporting sustainable farming practices. With options from 1 HP to 100 HP and more, we offer tailored solutions for every agricultural need. Welcome to our state-of-the-art 3.10 gigawatt PV module manufacturing facility. With strategic plans to expand to 5 gigawatt by 2027 and a 4 gigawatt module mounting structure manufacturing capacity. Equipped with advanced technology and premium bill of materials, our PV modules undergo rigorous quality checks and testing at every stage. This ensures unmatched quality and reliability. Our bill of materials incorporates proven components and processes, guaranteeing assured performance. Backed by over 2 decades of expertise, our modules come with a 25 to 30-year performance warranty, driving solar innovation both in India and globally. Kusol Energy also offers advanced solar water heaters and flat plate collectors, helping homes and businesses harness the sun's energy for efficient hot water solutions. Available in capacities ranging from 100 liters to 3,000 liters, our solar water heaters provide consistent, eco-friendly heating. By choosing Kusol Energy, you invest in a greener future with systems tailored to meet your specific needs. Kusol Energy's smart solar LED street lights provide efficient, eco-friendly illumination with integrated solar panels. Easy to install and maintain, they offer significant energy savings and security. With options ranging from 15 watt to 120 watt, our street lights are brightening communities sustainably. Kusol Energy provides comprehensive EPC project solutions across India, offering turnkey services from design to installation and maintenance. Our expertise ensures that every project is optimized for efficiency, performance, and long-term reliability. Innovating further, Kosol Energy introduces solar carports, transforming parking spaces into renewable energy hubs. These solar carports not only protect vehicles from the elements but also generate clean electricity, turning unused spaces into productive assets. Ideal for commercial, residential, and public areas, they help reduce energy costs and contribute to a greener environment. Aligned with India's renewable energy initiatives, Kosol Energy proudly supports government schemes like PM Surya Ghar Yojana and PM Kusum Yojana. We provide solutions that make solar power more affordable and accessible to all, helping individuals, businesses, and farmers embrace clean, renewable energy. At Kosol Energy, we are committed to empowering solar living. From small residential installations to large-scale industrial projects, we offer tailored solar solutions that not only reduce energy costs but also contribute to a greener, more sustainable future for generations to come. Kosol Energy, empowering solar living today and for generations to come.